Hey, 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 it's a girl, Slim as the Queen. Yes, I'm back in building. Yeah. Alright. I'm here to talk about low esteem and high esteem, right? And I know couples of times people have low esteem, right? And it's all good for me too because plenty of times I doubt myself. I put it on decline. I said, nope, I can't do that. But if you don't try and if you don't do it and put out your ability to do it, you will forever be in that category at all times because you can go into other working areas. So, for instance, you want to be a front office clerk, right? And you say, no, she brown and him slick and them a get the job and them a do this and them a you understand? No. Right, and that's called low esteem because you're putting down yourself and you're putting them above you, right? So you're not thinking that you can try and be that person, right? It's not while you have some will be book smart and some will be street smart, right? A thousand of times you cannot be just book smart only, and you can just be street smart only because there are two baggage. You have bad and good baggage on both end, right? So in the part of like say book smart, people say you're a nerd, right? And you're soft and stuff like that, right? You can't get any job you want, but it's still in some different working place you can't get job, right? And you have 16 subject, right? Again, that's the good and bad. For the street smart, right? People see and road and say, in my cruff in the pan road every time and she has skittle look there every minute. You understand? So you have to have two of them, a mixture, as me say, mix your lifestyle, right? So you can't doubt yourself at all time. You just tell yourself you can do this at all time because I've been through that a lot of time, right? Like I said, no, I can't. But when I go on different social media platform, read different books, watch television, go on the street in different working area, and I see some people that I think in my category that keep down themselves, but guess what? I see them at the front of the line. I see them as a cashier. I see them as a lot of things. They get a promotion, and I was so surprised because what they inspire me because of what they are the one that have the lowest esteem, but guess what? They fight through and they get through it. And that's the way that I look on it. And I said, but why? Why I can't do this? Look there, right? I expect the people that have the quality, right? Of everything. You have in everything them have the quality of everything, them skin color, them ear, them degrees and stuff like that, and then do they get the job. But the person who always trying and willing and keep have that lower back get through, right? So most times you judge, right? And we say, all right, and then better than me. Hell no. Forget about that, cut that bullshit, right? And they say in life you have to win and you have to lose. But not all the time the winning is good. The winning is not good most of the time. It's when you win, it's like you don't have no battles to fight against and no one to help because you always win, you're always a star. Let other people out there win too. Let other people out there win and fight, right? And that's what I see because guess what? As what people would say, you have life is like a gamble, right? So you have to gamble the life to win and you have to gamble to lose, right? So I just want to say this because I think people out there that's struggling in my situation need to know it too because trust me, it's not easy for the I esteem, right? The I self esteem, right? People that are prejudiced and people that are always putting themselves on top, and they don't really care about what coming next at them or what behind them, but they just want to be up front and then believe that they can do this and they believe that they are the best, right? And those are people that have high esteem, and they are the one that always shoulding and always winning, right? Because of what they believe in themselves, and they have faith in it that they can do this, and that's the way or they accomplish a lot of stuff in life because of them high self-esteem, right? And people look at them and judge them because them say they're better than, but no, they put themselves in that position to be that person. So they always walk tall, have them shoulder upwards, them always facing up. So if they drop into a field, they get up, brush off themselves, and then gonna lead. You understand? Well, you have the low esteem, drop themselves into the dirt, and they will be remain there, right? Remain there and saying, I'm tired. I've been doing this over and over. How can I get over this? If you don't get up off of your feet, you will never get through in life. And if you don't fight, you will never get through in life. So I'm saying this, right? No one is better than no one, right? Plenty times I'm saying, I wish I could do that the way that person's doing. I wish, but if only if I put my shoes, if I put my foot in those people that are out there that doing, I'll be surprised, because they are the one that always losing, but this time them have to win the battle. They keep fighting till they win, right? Never give up. Never give up on yourself. Never give up on your dream. Never give up on life. Never give up on people's. Because people out there look up to you right now and like say, yes, you inspire me, you have motivation, you encourage me. You understand? So what I'm trying to say, anything that you want to do, never be afraid to do it. Let it out, go there. Nothing be a trier, right? You go out there, you see someone doing bartending, right? And you said, hold them flip it buckle. Me can do it only if you try. So I'm saying goodbye now, and I hope what I just said, I hope it helped you guys and to figure out life and how you should live it and how you should look up to yourself and standard. And I'm asking, please, to subscribe, continue to like and share, and please press that bell for me, please, whenever I make a video or post or anything. So take care, and guys, be safe out there.